Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm very happy that you're here. This is my, once every once in a while Zara haul. So a couple times a year, I'm usually within an hour's drive of a Zara, so I will make a detour as I'm on my way to my parents' house or on my way back from my parents. Otherwise, it's way too far to go to just visit Zara. I'm not really the type that will go on a overnight road trip just to go shopping. I know, shocking. You would think that I would be that type of a person. Anyway, so I do have a few perfumes that I picked up at Zara. I wish I had access to another Zara that might be a little bit more organized or better stocked. This one is always pretty pathetic. I did manage to find some things. It was really funny though, because I took my perfumes up to the register and the one had like massive dust bunnies under it, and the associate was like, ugh. And they're like, what is with all this dust? And I was like, you guys don't ever clean like that. The perfume is always covered in dust, all the display shelves, and yeah, it's always a mess. If you haven't already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what your favorite Zara fragrances are. Are there some that you feel are worth trying to order? The problem is, if I order them, it's really hard to get them replaced if they are broken, because I've had them come broken in the past. The sample sets, and then I was out that money. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on Zara down below. And as always, I blame Cocoa Peps for this. It's all you. It's all you. It's all your fault that I ever got into Zara in the first place, and that I want to go and shop there anytime that I have the ability to. So first up, I picked up, we're not going to start with that one, we're going to start with this one. So this is one that she hyped up. I've heard hyped up all over the place, and it wasn't available. I went to two stores over the summer. So I was in Nashville, so I went to the Nashville Zara, and then I went to this one, and unfortunately neither one of them had this fragrance, and I had smelled it and I knew it smelled good, and I was thinking about putting in a Zara order, but I never get around to putting in a Zara order. I lucked out that the store had one of it left, and I was very happy. It is Hibiscus, and this one was $17.90. I think knowing the prices is very helpful most of the time. So that's what the bottle looks like. It is very pink, very pretty. It says Zara Bloom 03. Does it have notes anywhere? It does not. I know sometimes they have notes, sometimes they don't. It's a little confusing. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. It's a very sweet floral. I just, going like this, I can smell it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's florally, but it's a sweet florally. I don't necessarily recognize any outstanding fruit notes, but it smells kind of tropical and warm. Not like wintry warm, but it evokes being in a warm climate. Yes, I really like this one, so I'm very excited to have finally gotten Hibiscus. So yay, yay, yay. And then I went a little crazy with the collection. I also picked up Peony. This is also the same size. These are 90 mils or 3 ounces, if that helps gauge a little bit. And honestly, this is now the price of a Bath & Body Works Fine Fragrance Mist, which is insane. So Peony is Zara Bloom 04. I wonder what 01 is, and 02. I would have thought this would have been one of the other numbers, a lower down number. This one is pretty. I don't think this one is as exciting as Hibiscus, but this is just a really nice spring type floral. It definitely smells floral. It has a little sweetness in there, but it definitely smells like it's coming from the florals. And I do like Peony. I have several fragrances that feature Peony. This isn't going to be one of my top ones, but one, I wanted it for, I don't know, they just look cute together. But I didn't want to regret not finding it and not picking it up when I had the chance. And then because they didn't have it in a 3 ounce, I got just the 1 ounce. This is the 30 ml. This is $10.90. I picked this up in Orchid, and definitely much. And look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, so tiny. This is Bloom 01. So I wonder what Bloom 02 is. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know down below. Like I said, I have access to Zara like twice a year, so it's not something. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. This is very fragrant, very it's not really vanilla. I wish they had notes. I'm definitely liking this one more than Peony. Dang it, now I needed the 1 ounce in this and or 1 ounce in the Peony and the 3 ounce in the Orchid. I might pick up another one of these if I ever come across them. But yeah, this one is really nice. If you like florals, but you want like almost an aromatic bouquet, but not overwhelming in any way, I really like this one. Yeah, so this is one I recommend. Hibiscus would be #1, but Orchid, I like Orchid too. Then I decided to pick up Zara Rose Gourmand. This is an eau de parfum, and this says chapter 1 on it. Now the confusing thing is they only had Australian pricing on these. So I was like, I had no clue how much this was going to cost. It ended up being, I think, $13.90, but it was very confusing that they only had that. It says, feminine and empowered, a fresh rose, elevated by the luscious duo of vanilla and tonka. And I just got, once again, the 1 ounce with this. They had another one there, and I can't remember what it was, but it was one that I wasn't really interested in. Like, this smells so familiar. This smells like maybe a Montel or a Mancera. Is there like a rose? Is it Roses Vanille? This is pretty. Look at how it's like fizzing. That's weird. This is very sweet. This smells a little overwhelming on the tonka and vanilla spectrum. This one I would be spraying very lightly, would not be overspraying this one at all, because it would be a very overwhelming scent, I feel like. I kind of like it, but I don't love it. But I think other people might really love it. It's just a little bit strong for me, personally. Then I picked up, this was the one that was super dusty. This is Nuit, and this one, they had the 1 ounces, and it was $10.90, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna get the 1 ounce. And then I looked and I was like, okay, if I really like this one, and it's $17.90, and I get 3 times as much, I'm just gonna get the 3 times as much. This says Zara Dress Time 03. So they're trying to like mark them with their collections now, which I think is kind of helpful. And this is really comforting. It's kind of creamy. Like, it actually smells creamy, but it has like, it almost reminds me of Crystal Noir from Versace, but definitely with more cream base. It's not so much, I get like the ginger and that a little bit. It's a little bit more spicy. The Crystal Noir, at least the EDT that I have, this is really pretty. I feel like this is something when you're in a sweater and you just want to spray this all over it, just kind of envelop you in the scent, but in a really soft way. I like this one. So this is one I think would be a really good one to spray on pillows, you know, and as you're going to bed, this would be another good one. Or like if you were cuddled up reading a good book, I think that would be a great scent too. The final scent I picked up is Fizzy Breeze Splash, and this is an EDT. This one was the most expensive. This one was $25.90. It's 6.76 ounces, so it's massive. It's such a huge fragrance. And this particular trip, I usually try to check out what they have in the men's and what they have in the kids, and I didn't do that this time because I was trying to be faster and I didn't want to find anything really if they had it. I keep hearing about Rich, Warm, and Addictive, and I've never found that in store to smell. So this is what it looks like. It's so much bigger. So if we compare Nuit, it's like, you know, way over twice as big. And this one, did I tell you the note? It's supposed to be mango, freesia, and musk. I can't remember. I don't think they had this one to smell. And I was trying to look on Fragrantica for like reviews really fast to kind of see what people were saying about these different scents and get notes that way. Oh, this is definitely mango forward. It doesn't smell super tropical though. I think the musk and the freesia pull it back, but you definitely get like a mango fruitiness to it. It's really nice. I don't know how long lasting this is going to be, but you know, you have a lot to play around with this. I am very happy with this one. I'm very excited for almost all of these. Peony is probably the only one that I'm not like super excited about. And Rose Gourmand, I guess. Those are the two that I'm less excited about, but this is going to be a great like weekend spray. I feel like this is just going to be really fun. I probably wouldn't wear this to work, to teach, but the rest of the time this is going to be a lot of fun. So yes, let me know if you have tried any of these fragrances, what your thoughts and opinions are on them. Let me know if there's something that I should put on my list of ones to try to pick up. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.